That statement is under the assumption that Chinese are stupid. Chinese will not do anything to deal with that. So that means it will explode. That will mean after it explodes, there will be a bubble, hard landing. That's the reasoning process. That's the argument that's based. So basically, I don't agree that argument. You know, did government react? And any government in the world would react to the assets bubble, because this is not only the financial issue, the market issue. This is the issue of social issue and the political issue. And the Chinese are not that stupid. So that's why I don't think that statement is a right judgment.
But there are still beliefs in the market. There are some that are leaving this belief that there will be a one-off revaluation of the yuan, of the currency. Do you think that might happen?
Is that somebody said the one-off will be jump to the equilibrium. Is that right? The rationality for this one-off is, but who knows where the equilibrium? And the market is very dynamic. And today it seems to stabilize equilibrium, but next year there will be change. So what I always, you know, we can make an imagination, because the economics is not like, you know, the science. You know, you can do the lab, you can make the experiment, but this you cannot. But use an imagination. Think about if in 2005 China do the one-off. 30%, 40%, very likely. Then after 1 year, 2 year, job didn't go back to U.S. Deficit's still there, so U.S. Congress will ask another one-off. Then the market will work on that, speculate on that. There's another 20, 30 appreciation. But then the financial crisis come. Then market ask another 50% devaluation. So that kind of the fluctuations. Think about it. Chinese companies, very vulnerable. I mean, and the Chinese system, without a convertibility, without a liberalization of the market, you know, the supervision, all those things are very under-matured market. You are not able to deal with those kind of risk. You're exposed by those kind of radical one-off, so-called one-off change. So that's the reason why I prefer gradualism.
You know, there's been a lot of hot money flows into China, expecting the currency to revalue, to appreciate. Now, earlier, I think in December, you said that these inflows of speculative capital creates volatility in the stock market. It's not good for the property market. Going forward, I mean, when the hot money flows continue to increase?
Probably. There's several reasons, not only the revaluation, potential revaluation incentives, but there's other incentives. Chinese economy is a high-growing economy. Profitability is really high, and there's not much investment opportunities outside, you know, in other economies.